Hi everyone, it's Sam with the Pink Elephant Parlor, and I'm going to show you a preview of the items that will be available Sunday, that's Super Bowl Sunday, the 11th of February at 3 p.m. Central Time. Start up in the back there, and we're going to do some of your, I think they're 1973 Jack and Jills. If I remember right. And then last week I forgot to take the doilies off the backboard. So we have those again this week. And then right in the center here, you're going to see a porcelain, I think it's a match holder for your wall. Got some of your Easter candles there with the little bunnies. Now I do have the original box to them. It is the plastic on it was all open on top and everything, so I went ahead and just pulled them out, but I do have the original box. Right here I have another one of those Oriental Asian styled eggs. Very pretty. Now it is not as large as the other one. It does have its stand though. And you'll see there's a little pixie there. And it looks like he may have been like a little cork for something maybe, or a little top for something. I'm not sure. But I have two. I have the little one there with the black on it. And then there's a little yellow one in there with those eggs and the little Lefton bluebird. I do have both the little bluebirds. The other one is sitting down here. But back over here, and then also I have a vintage little whistle. I don't think it's a water whistle. It's just a regular little whistle. And then I have some of the satin beaded eggs. I think there's this pink one, the blue one there, and then right down here there is the green one. Those will be available. And then I found another one of those. I can't believe I found another one of those little like butterfly kids. She is a Japan piece. And then I'll have that little fluffy chick there too, as well as long as the other one. That one's got the pink sort of gingham hat on, and the other one has the green. I have an old candy tin there. Is that Hollingsworth? A cute little rabbit just jumping in the air over the flowers. It is a Taiwan piece. Cute little bone china little girl there. She's only about, I'd say, maybe 2 inches, if that tall. She's really cute. I think someone had used her for a cake topper because she had a little bit of icing on the bottom of her and I had to clean off. And then I've got this plastic rabbit candy container right here. His little head does come off and everything, like it should. I have an old doll made out of like a chenille blanket, maybe, or just some chenille cloth. A couple of your home project pieces there. Those are like from the 80s. The two rabbits with the little blue flowers and ribbon. I have the little cracked egg courting scene with the gold trim vase. A couple of your little trinket boxes. They open like little key boxes or pill boxes. Cute little Hong Kong chick there that rolls on wheels. The little dog is to rest your glasses in. And then the little guy there, it's a little ashtray, but little Japan piece. But I also think that ashtray is sort of shaped like an egg. And I think you could really do something with that for Easter. Put some grass in it, maybe set an egg in it or some candy or something like that would be really cute. Have some vintage hand-painted glass buttons. They are self-shake glass buttons. Ooh, shaking a little bit there, sorry. But they are really pretty. And then I have some Easter ephemera. And what I'm going to do is like those 3 little bunnies and that little lamb will go with these 3 postcards. So it'll be like one little group of Easter ephemera. You'll get all that. And then I have a piece here, new old stock Hong Kong, little chick and 2 little eggs. And then there is a couple of the sugared eggs. I don't know if I can show you or not, but we sure will try. And inside there, you can see his little eye. There's a little rabbit. I know I'm shaking something awful. And then right over here, let's see if we can see in that one. There's another little rabbit in there. They are really cute. And we'll have the little chick salt and pepper shakers. I believe they are Japan. Got some of your Delft pieces there. The little owls, it's a little trinket box. The little owls are the lid, and it is from Holland. There will be 2 hat pin holders. One in the pink and one in the blue. And then, let's see, there's that other little chick with the green gingham hat. Got some little lamb Japan pieces, I do believe, salt and pepper shakers there. And then these little, gosh, I can't remember who makes these little guys, but the little cats, the little sugared cats. I know it's Japan, but can't remember. I don't know if it's Artmark or, but really cute. Got the little flowers and the bell, little tiger stripe cats. And then look at the little squirrel peeking. Little squirrel peeking back there, right over. He's a cute little Japan piece. And then this little rabbit there is one of your like paper mache cardboards from, it's not marked, but I know it's a Germany piece. I've seen it before, and it's like where the hole is in the bottom is right about where they put Germany on it. And yeah, so it's Germany, you can't see it because the hole's been cut out in the bottom. And then guys, look at this. I have never seen this. Can't find it. If you want to take a snapshot and help me out, that'd be great. But this is a dragonfly playing an accordion while it's sitting on a rose branch. It is a Japan piece, and I have looked ever since I found it, trying to figure out anything about it, but it is really cool, and it's in excellent condition. No chips or cracks or anything like that with it, but it is so stinking cute. Little anthropomorphic dragonfly there. Oh, I know right now what I forgot to put in. I have also, and I'll show it at the beginning of the sale, I have 2 seahorses. That's that acrylic art with like the, can't remember, I think it's like the shell in it. And then I know he's probably more Christmas, this little mouse, but he's just so stinking cute. He is just, look at that little candy cane. But I just thought he was cute as can be. And then there is a larger sugared egg. I would say it's probably 5 inches from front to back. It's got a little grass on it from that little basket there, but it says Happy Easter on the top, and then on the inside there's a little bird. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not. I'm gonna try. And then there's some little rabbits, and it's all done out of the icing. Very cute. The little cup there with the egg in it is a, let's see, it's a piece of pink, can't say it, pink glass, like a little Voda cup, but I'm using it as a egg cup for a little grass in it. And then these are, oh my goodness, I'm losing train of thought. Let me see if I can check on the back. I can't remember now. Bone china, Nortaki. These are some really, really cute eggs. But I just thought that fit in there just great. So I put it in there. And then right here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I set up things a little different. But right back here, this little dish, it does still have its sticker inside the dish. And it says Western Germany. And it has the two little cherubs. And I did polish the silver plate on it and the little cherubs and everything. It is a really cool dish. It's a little heavy, but man, it's a nice dish. No chips or cracks or anything like that on that. And then you can see there are your two little Lefton bluebirds, little salt and pepper shakers. The little, let's see, the little boy, I think he is in excellent condition. And the little girl, she actually has little chip on her tail. So, but, you know, these are pieces that are rather hard to find, at least for me anyway. I do see them online a few times. The last time I seen these birds, they sold, and it's still on there. They sold for like $125, which I thought was, you know, a little crazy, but hey, to each his own. And then the little sugar shaker and pitcher will also be available. They are Japan pieces. When I first seen them, I thought they were Czech pieces, but they are Japan. They're very bright, pretty colors. Really nice for spring. So like I said before, I do have two seahorses that I will be adding. They're only, oh, I'd say 3-4 inches tall. They are your old acrylic ones. They do have your hangers and everything on the back. I just forgot to put them on my table. So I'll show them at the beginning of the sale on Sunday, February the 11th at 3 p.m. Central Time. I hope everyone can make it. Go Chiefs! Bye, guys.